Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again, Jessa. So for today's video, I will be giving you some abs workout recommendation, and I will also tell you guys what food I ate, and because I know lots of you and some of you are asking and wondering how I maintain my shape. So in this video guys, we will talk about those ab workout I'm using guys. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm sweating because it's very hot here guys, super hot. Even though we turn on the AC, it's still hot. And I did not turn on the fan because it might distract you and will, you know, the noise guys. Okay, I will tell you guys because some of you and some of my friends are asking me on my Facebook. They're messaging me on my Facebook because I'm posting some of my pictures after workout, yeah. And then they are inspired and they are so amazed how I look and how I maintain my flat tummy guys. So they are asking me what workout I did every day and what food I ate every day. So I will tell you the truth guys. This is all the truth guys, okay? So I know you might think that eating unhealthy food but this is the truth guys. Every morning I eat coffee and then bread, so that's it every morning. So sometimes I eat apples in the morning, or yeah, something like that, banana. And then on my lunch guys, I'm eating rice. So I still don't skip rice guys, but when I'm there with Travis, I don't eat rice, only here guys. So every lunch I eat rice, and then yung typical ulam, typical meal of Filipino meal, like that, like with egg, adobo with rice, something like that. And then I will eat apples after I eat rice, like that guys. And then plenty of water every day guys. So here I'm not drinking soft drinks guys. So I think once a month, but sometimes in a month I don't drink. So yan. And then on my dinner guys, I don't eat rice, okay? So on my dinner I don't eat rice. I only eat like vegetables and fruits on my dinner, because I don't eat rice, like heavy meal before you sleep. So that's the only thing I eat every dinner. And then, so some of you are asking also what time I work out. So I don't have time in the morning guys, because I feel sleepy talaga, because at the end of the day you feel tired. I have time after work. So after work I work out like 30 minutes. So okay, this thing I will tell you what workout I'm doing guys for my abs workout, for how to maintain your flat tummy, yeah. And then first thing I will tell you guys, Chloe Ting. I've been doing her, I think almost 1 year na guys. I've been doing her workout almost 1 year, because for me guys, I know it might not work for you, but for me it works for me guys. Because for me, if you make some effort and if you spend some time to work out, like it will work for me, because it's just like you need a dedication. If you want to get it, work for it, like that. So for Chloe Ting, I usually do her lab handle workout. So I will show you here what is the lab handle workout for Chloe Ting. Lab handle workout, tiny waist and butt, yun. So mostly I'm doing her lab handle workout and tiny. And you can also browse on her YouTube channel guys. She has a lot of videos of workout, booty workout, abs workout, so you can also follow her workout guys. you can also use that as a guide. So if you want to start lose weight, to get that 11 abs, and then have a problem on your side oblique. So for me guys, I'm not targeting to have 6-pack abs, 4-pack abs, only the 11 abs guys. Yeah, because Chloe Tings has that 11 abs guys. I like her body talaga. Asian talaga siya. Asian siya, I think she's Asian. I think Chinese. Anyway, so you can also subscribe to her channel guys, and do some of her workouts. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm sweating. So yan, Chloe Tings workout guys, my #1 recommendation. So yun, it's very helpful guys. Just you need some dedication lang naman guys, and make some effort, give some time to work out every day. So in 1 week guys, I work out like 5 times in a week. For example, my only day off like Thursday night day off ko, and then I will not work out Thursday, and then like Monday, only 2 days. Sometimes I work out only 4 days in a week, something like that guys. Okay, another one that I would recommend you guys is Lily Sabri's workout. This one is I just recently discovered her workout by my friend Miss Ate Jen. She said that, oh, try Lily Sabri's workout, it's really good. And then I saw some of her pictures on Instagram. Oh my gosh, she's a hottie. And then I tried to check on some of her workout, and I tried the abs workout of Miss Lily Sabri. This one guys, the smaller waist and loose belly fat workout of Miss Lily Sabri. That's the workout that I'm doing for Lily Sabri's workout, that I'm using it as a guide also for smaller waist and loose belly fat. So you can try that also guys. You can also check her YouTube channel. You can use some of her videos. You can check it out guys. Yun. That's the only thing guys, only thing that I'm doing for my abs workout. These two gorgeous lady, Chloe Tings and Lily Sabri's workout. Yeah guys. And also guys, drink plenty of water. Don't forget to drink lots of water guys, so you don't feel hydrated the whole day. And then recently lang din ako nag-gym with Travis. So sa building nila, we work out there gym like 45 minutes or 1 hour, but now it's closed guys, so I'm doing abs workout at home. But I usually do home workout guys, because I used to do this workout at home lang, because you only need yoga mat guys. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope this workout will help you and to start your abs workout, how to maintain your flat tummy workout, something like that. And those food that I tell you, it's all true guys. So that's I'm not into diet guys, okay? So I drink, sometimes I have one day cheat day. I drink soda, but once in a month lang guys. Soda, and we drink ordered food from Talabat. Cheat day namin Travis. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much guys. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click that thumbs up button and click that notification bell. Thank you so much guys. See you on our next vlog. Bye.